皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into casual Japanese, タメ口. If you want to learn casual Japanese, using タメ口 is a great way to start. However, it's important to know when and with whom to use タメ口. In today's lesson, I will go over the rules for using タメ口, so you can avoid any awkward and disrespectful situations. Are you ready? Let's get started. So what is タメ口? タメ口, also known as タメ語, means informal or casual Japanese, typically used with friends, family, people who are close to you, and of similar age or status. But remember, タメ口 isn't for everyone. Here are the main rules for when to use タメ口. First, use タメ口 with friends or people who are close to you. Second, use タメ口 with people of the same age or younger, like kids. Third, only use タメ口 when it feels comfortable for both of you. If you use タメ口 too soon, it can come across as disrespectful. Showing respect through language is crucial in Japan. Lastly, avoid タメ口 with senpai, seniors, people in higher positions, or strangers. Respecting hierarchy is very important in Japanese culture. Let's decide whether to use タメ口 or Keigo for each type of person. 年下の上司 younger manager. Use Keigo. Even though they are younger, they hold a higher position, so using polite language, Keigo show respect for their position. 年上の後輩 older junior. Use Keigo. Although they are junior in position, using Keigo is appropriate to show respect for their age, especially if you are not very close. 同年代の知人 acquaintance of the same age. Use Keigo. Even though they are the same age, using Keigo is appropriate. 年上の友達 older friend. Use タメ口. Since they are friend, タメ口 is usually fine. But consider their preferences. Some people may still prefer Keigo despite of friendship. 年下の知人 younger acquaintance. Use Keigo. Even though they are younger, it's generally more appropriate to use Keigo. However, if they are much younger, like kids, タメ口 is okay. As you can see, Keigo is used in most situations. タメ口 is usually reserved for friends or people who are close to you. Knowing when to switch from polite language to タメ口 can be tricky, but generally, it's okay to switch once you've got to know someone better. Sometimes the other person might invite you to switch. They might say something like, タメ口でいいよ。タメ口でいいよ。Feel free to speak casually. Or, 敬語やめませんか？敬語やめませんか？ Why don't we stop using polite language? If someone says this, you are good to go. Another hint is when other person starts using タメ口 with you. This usually means they feel comfortable speaking casually. However, if it's your senpai or manager, it's best to stick with Keigo at all time. You can also politely ask if it's okay to use タメ口 when you start feeling closer to someone. Try saying タメ口で話してもいいですか？タメ口で話してもいいですか？ Is it okay if I use casual language? Or you can gradually mix a little タメ口 into polite conversations. Start with quick expressions like すごい、すごい、awesome. Or そうなんだ、そうなんだ、I see. If they respond with タメ口, that's a great sign. They're also comfortable with タメ口, so you can use タメ口 with them. But if they stick with Keigo, it might be best to hold off on タメ口 for now. In that case, keep using Keigo until you both feel comfortable enough to switch. Now let's learn some useful タメ口 reaction phrases that you can mix into your polite conversation. わかる、わかる。I get it. Totally. いいね。いいね。Nice. That sounds good. そうそう。そうそう。Exactly. Right. うん。うん。Yeah. Uh-huh. 本当？本当？ Really? やっぱり。やっぱり。I figured. I knew it. Here is an example conversation using these expressions. この前、新しいレストランに行ってきたんですけど、すごく良かったですよ。そうなんだ。どこにあるんですか？新宿の駅前にあるんですけど、メニューが豊富で、値段も手頃でしたよ。いいね。私も行ってみようかな。うん。ぜひ行ってみてください。おすすめです。この前、新しいレストランに行ってきたんですけど、すごく良かったですよ。そうなんだ。どこにあるんですか？新宿の駅前にあるんですけど、メニューが豊富で、値段も手頃でしたよ。いいね。私も行ってみようかな。うん。ぜひ行ってみてください。おすすめです。And there you have it. Some basic tips for speaking casual Japanese or タメ口. Remember to use タメ口 only when it's appropriate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。